Today we will be drawing some cute types of birds. It's really simple. So now we're going to draw the first one. First, draw two twos next to each other. Now you'll want to connect them and draw an eye and a beak. Connect the legs and draw a branch. Do an upside down M as a tail and add some texture. Draw the wings, and there we go. Use a thin Sharpie to draw its claws. Now we're going to draw the second one. Draw a letter 6. Draw an eye, and then a beak. Now you want to draw the wings. Just do a curve and another curve, and there you have it. Draw the number 3. That's his tail. Now we're going to draw his body. As well as the other wing. We're going to draw the same bird, just draw 2 twos, and we're going to make this bird looking back. Now for this one, draw an X. Then we're going to put 2 circles for the head. Draw eyes and beaks. And then draw a curve as their body. You could also draw a branch. And now draw their tails. Now we're going to draw a number 1. And then a number 2 connecting to the number 1. Now a number 3. Draw the eyes and a beak. Add the feather texture and add its claws. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a sub and a like. Thank you for watching.